Hey guys, welcome to another video of the AWS playlist. So in this video, we will see how we can host a static website using S3. So over here, I have a bucket called DevOps YT channel. So all you have to do is go to this bucket and upload all your website data. So I'm going to drag and drop all my objects and click on upload. Since it is done, go back to the bucket and go to properties. Then scroll down and you will see an option static website hosting. Click edit and enable, and over here put index.html or whatever the root of your website is. Click on save changes. Now go to permissions and block public access. Go to edit, untick this, click save changes. Now scroll down more. You will see bucket ownership. Click edit and click on ACL enabled and confirm. Now go back to objects, select all the objects, go to actions and click on make public using ACL. After that is done, go back to the bucket, click on index.html and copy the object URL and put it in a new tab. And there you go, your static website is live. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos on DevOps and AWS. Thanks for watching.